Hey, what's up, traders? So the new week really started in the style. We can see that Aussie, Kiwi, NZD Cat, Aussie Cat, Euro USD, all of these pairs are nicely dropping, as I predicted in the last weekly forex market preview, actually last week. So why I'm making this video is not to say look, I'm very good, I said this and now it's happening. But anyway, I didn't catch all of the trades. I just have a couple of them I will show you. But what I want to show you is one thing which is really important. Basically, you know, all the indicators are bullshit. It's lagging, it's actually calculating from the price change and etc. So all of them, like RSI, MACD or whatever, it's kind of bullshit. But only one thing which is important is the volume, and you should learn to read this, especially the COT. And I will show you something with the retail positions, what I have developed and what now helps me to trade and gives me the confidence to trade in a trade. So let's go to the charts and I will show you. This is very important. All right. Alright, so we are now looking to the Aussie dollar, and this is the picture from the prediction, and here is actually what I was explaining in the video, that the banks has closed some longs positions. They took the price down and they closed the shorts positions here as well. However, as they took the price up, they've been closing the shorts here, so it took the price up, and now from here I was calling the short, right? So why I was thinking that it's gonna happen is because they has cleared this highs in this liquidity zone, and I was expecting them to bring this price down. What is the reason is because, alright, they closed the shorts in here in this period to take the price up, but we don't know what they did in the Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and I was sure that they was building the positions of the shorts, because look what they've been doing here as well. We have seen that they basically had 28% of the retail traders to the long side. So I had a question from one guy, why I don't trade long. I said that because I'm watching this zone of the traders, and they've been going to long short. I mean, they've been taking this retail to the profit, then to the loss, and I was expecting that it will go down through this zone and this number will start to rise, right? So actually in this way it looks like we're gonna trade with the majority of the retail traders. They are, and we are actually trading with them, but most of them, they have their average entry down here, so they can take the price down and keep them both sides in the loss, right? So that's what I was looking for as well. Same thing on the Euro USD. We have seen that we had the 26% of the retail traders with the longs here, and the price was trading up here, and I was calling the short because we are seeing the big shorts positions been closing, longs positions been closing in here, right? So next one, pound as well, I was calling the short. However, I was expecting the price to move up first, then to drop. It didn't happen, so the price actually is dropping already right now as the dollar is strengthening. And this is the Kiwi, same thing. Look what the COT can tells you. We can see that they've been closing the longs positions, right? Then they here added some, and then now they closing again while they keeping the shorts, right? And only 19% of the retail is in the long, so you might think that you must go against the most of them, but as said, remember, the market makers and their artificial intelligence still wants to keep all of us between these two average prices. They still want to keep us in the loss, right? Let's check that right now, right? I want to show you this indicator because it's important, and no one have this. I said that the indicators are bullshit, but this one, no, this is the best. It's actually best. Look, so if I click into these candles, it will brings me this retail positions in here, and looks what happening right now, and it gives me the confidence to stay in a trade, right? So what I see here is this. I have seen that 28% of the retail was in the longs position, and I was expecting the break through this, right? So what happened then? If we look what happened, of course they break through it, and what is happening right now, look at this, the retail positions are growing. So actually the retail is buying now. We can see how it's growing. 28%, 29, 30, 30, 31. So I'm not gonna take long right now. I know they are right now in a trap, and if I go to the, let's say, 4 hours time frame, I can see that it can go down against them all the way down here, while they will not give them the chance to win, right, to get out from the trade. So I have this Aussie trade, this one as well. What I have here is this is the Aussie cat. I entered it later, but I think this will drop much lower. This is the Kiwi cat, the trade. You can see as well here what was happening with the positions, right? This is how they catch the traders to the trap. We can see only 12% of the traders in the long, then they drop it, and now 22% of the long. So as what does it tells me? It tells me that in this candle now 10% of the retail traders are actually entering the longs. I don't think they will give them chance to move the price up, right? So I'm actually thinking that this will continue down very sharply, because as well this is what the volume tells me, right? So the price is below that, and now we're going down. So we are now going to the direction where is the most of the retail traders, but it will not go so far that they will be winning. So here is well, I can see how far it can go. That's why I'm gonna get out here, right? Next one is a Kiwi. Look at a Kiwi. What's happened here? So we can see 25%. This is how it actually happened always. Look, and where they're going right now. So we can see that here is the 25%, and how much it was before. It was something like 17 or 19 or something like that. Let's put it to 1 hour. So we can see 19%, right? So what actually happened in here was 19% of the traders was in the long, and as it drops down, another 6% took long. That's great for the market makers. So as the retail traders are buying, the opposite of it is sell. So they're actually buying against the developing trend, as I mentioned that. So that's actually good for the start of the new trend. And same thing is on the Euro USD. Here is actually, I want to show you, if you remember last time I said in my Telegram channel, everyone should have a position on the short on the Euro, so it was here, right? So I actually survived all this move, right? So that's why I trade always small positions, and when I see that I'm right, I actually add more, right? Also, that's how it works. So what's actually happening right now on the Euro? If we go back in here, we can see that I said that the Euro will drop down here, and I was expecting to catch the retail traders in the trap longs, right? So here they had 26% longs, right? And if we go to the chart right now, we can see here is a 40%. 40%. It's a huge change. It's huge. So what actually happened is this. We can see that while the price was starting to drop, the retail traders started to buy. So the price, what is doing? So we can see 26%, 27, boom, 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 40. A lot of retail traders buying in here. That's where it could go. It can go a little bit higher, but I don't think it will reach above this level. Most likely this will go down, and ladies and gentlemen, I think this is a breakout on the Aussie, on the DXY. DXY is dollar index, which you can see here. So I was calling it to break it up and clear these two zones. So let's look where we are right now. Where is it? Here is this. So let's go to the DXY and we can see we are breaking higher, right? So I think right now in the next weeks, next days, we will be cleaning these two zones. Will it break and continue higher? I don't know, but I think this is most likely gonna happen, right? As well with the channel, right? So we had the price ranging in here. We can see the banks closing the shorts positions from the longs, breaking, retesting the middle band of the channel, and here is the journey to the next channel, to next upper band. So this is what I'm expecting, and why I made this video is download this application. Just go to my website in here and you can download it here and use it. I don't know what to tell you. I mean, it's so easy and it tells you so much information. Of course, there is a traders who expect that this is gonna be easy. Of course it's so easy. This indicator, you must learn how to use it, you must watch it. I cannot tell you right now if here is 40 sell, etc, etc. You must learn and practice it, but I'm telling you, this is the best, and this will turn your trading to the simply to the best. I mean, this is crazy. That's the same like if you playing the poker with someone and you can see their cards. So right now we know most of the traders are buying in here, and we know that if we go here and if we go to check the euro, that the banks are actually closing their longs positions. So we have amazing information based on the order flow, not based on the some fundamentals, on some stupid formations or everything. We can see that it's actually happening in the reality. It's the fact, and it will continue down most likely. Where exactly, I can't say right now, but I think here is some nice levels where these two lows I will be closing some the lowest entries, and the highest entries I will be keeping longer. So yeah, so today I actually have closed this trade already. I had the entry in here, but my stupidity was that I closed it very earlier. Alright, download this app. I'm telling you, that's really the best thing you can have, and it's free for now. Bye bye.